Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different. I've been studying up on graphic design a little bit, and one of the key tips that I keep hearing over and over again is to start drawing your ideas down. Even if you're not a great drawer like me, I'm really not very artistic at all aside from like photography. But then that got me thinking, you know what, I should just like try drawing. It doesn't have to be like the best. And then that got me thinking about makeup and like doing a makeup project more physically off the face. And that got me thinking about face charts. So face charts are a tool that like a makeup artist could use to give to you to list off products or to, come up with their own looks, be a little bit more creative with products and kind of like have an archival system. I was like, I should do some face charts. I think maybe I'll even do a face chart YouTube series if you guys are interested. I don't know if that's boring or if that's exciting or just interesting or a different way of approaching makeup aside from our faces. Maybe we could do, a couple of face charts and then try applying face charts to our faces. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments because I've just been like thinking and like, But one of the problems with face charts is the faces themselves. So the most, I would say, notorious face chart out there is the MAC one, which you can see here. And if we just compare our faces here, you'll see that my face seems to be a lot bigger. My eyes are tiny compared to hers. My lips are smaller. They're differently proportioned. Everything's just a little bit different. So one of the other creative aspects of my life that I indulge myself in is sewing. And one of the new innovative hot products that just launched on the internet is actually body models that look like your actual measurements. Historically, fashion body shapes have been like really long and misproportioned compared to like a normal body. And if you're carrying around a couple extra pounds, or you're just like, I'm unusually small on the top and extra large on the bottom, so like, my body is not a standard size. So I've been playing around with this tool to come up with my own body shape so that I can practice drawing my own clothes on it. Sounds pretty cool. So then I was thinking, why don't I have a custom face chart? I'm comfortable in Photoshop. I think I could come up with something. And so I came up with my own custom face chart. This video is just gonna be me walking you through me building my own face chart. Maybe it'll inspire you to create your own face chart. Maybe you've done something like this before, maybe on paper, maybe on the computer. I don't know, but I'm really stoked about this and I can't wait to play around with it. I think little things like having my creases the right height, my actual like lash line to my eyebrows is gonna be really helpful and just like kind of studying my face shape, working with this extra cheekage that I have going on. I think it's gonna be good. It's got me really pumped up to try some fun things. So here we go. Okay, so I've opened up an image and I'm first using the pen tool to trace around my face. And I'm creating a path in Photoshop, which then I will create a stroke for. And the brush that I'm using is I think hard round pressure opacity brush. And I changed the size between 10, 5, and 3. And that gives you the nice like drawn line effect that you can see here. I popped in a white background so that I could better see what I was doing. And then I moved on to eyebrows. And then to make eyebrows look even better, instead of redrawing 2 eyebrows, I just cloned my 1 eyebrow and then, moved it into place on the other side. I did my eyes, which took me a little bit of work to get the pen tool under control and do what I want, but eventually just take your time and make sure you get it as good as possible because we only really need to do 1 eye. We can just clone it once we've done it properly and again put it on the other side. the MAC face chart had a outline of a nose, kind of a highlight shine maybe, and nostrils, so I tried to follow the highlight of my nose, and then I drew in my nostrils. I also thought it was really important to get the right crease height, so I just drew my crease above my eyelid, on my eyelid, and then of course clone that to the other side following the photo outlines. Then I reduced the opacity to slightly more closely match the MAC chart. Then I traced out my goofy half smile serious face while my lips are lopsided. And then I followed half of my lips so that I could clone it, so that I would get sort of a thinner line in the middle of my lips. I thought that looked pretty nice. And we're pretty much almost done here. So the very last thing I wanted to do was to just sort of outline some hair so that it looked a little bit more like me. So I'm just going in with the tool and the pen tool and doing some wavy lines to create some curly type hair. And then I did decide that I want to have glasses in the photo. So I outlined all of my glasses and stroked it, but then I decided one half looked a lot better than the other half, the thicker half, so I ended up just cloning that half of my glasses to the other side so that the glasses were perfectly symmetrical. I wanted nice eyeballs, I guess, so I took it from this makeupanarchist.com face chart. Not too sure if it's the same as the MAC ones or not, but they were nice and dark, so I cloned that into both sides of my eyes. And there you go. So the glasses are on their own layer, so I can turn them on and off as needed. And I'm pretty happy with this face chart. I did some finishing touches to remove some extra lines, and I also made sure I kept the information on the side of the chart so I could fill it in if I needed to. And then I made another layer. I made two layers, one with the glasses, one without the glasses, so that I could pick and choose whichever one I wanted. Alright guys, so of course I printed them out on the computer, and I printed one with glasses, one without glasses. They look sad, I think, compared to the MAC ones, because like my eyes are so small, but at the same time, you know, this is life. This is what my face looks like in real life. The photo that I was working from is like a photo of my face without being altered, you know. This is like my reality. And I'm really excited to start playing around with it and like messing with it, seeing how I could make my eyes bigger if that's what I'm going for. I'm really excited to play around with it. I wasn't committed to the non-glasses one because I do wear glasses day to day, so like why wouldn't I want to chart with my glasses on? So that's why I've got the glasses on. And then I just copied from the MAC chart the list of products that you would like list next to the products, just so it looks more profesh. So let me know if you guys decide to do this. Let me know like if you've created your own face mask. Definitely share it down in the comments down below. If you link a URL, sometimes like it gets spam filtered, so just wait a little while and I'll come through and approve your face chart for you. But yeah, so I think maybe in the next couple of weeks I'm gonna try creating a look on the face chart, which I do on video, so maybe my like first face chart attempt, and I think that would be really fun. So stay tuned. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Huge shout out to my Patreons who help bring this video content to you guys. I really appreciate your continued support. Thank you for watching. And make sure you share this video with anybody else who might find it helpful. That really helps me out. It also helps me out if you like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. And with that, you guys, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!